Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to the second channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be deep cleaning a dirty engine bay on a 2018 Jeep Cherokee, and as an added bonus, you're going to get to see everything from my perspective today. So, let's get started. Getting started now, and the very first thing you'll need to do is disconnect the vehicle's battery. And one thing to note is that you always want to disconnect the negative terminal first, and once that's done, I'll spray on a very liberal amount of super clean degreaser using my IK foamer, making sure to cover every surface in here. After I've let that sit for a minute to help break down the dirt and gunk, I'll go over all the flat surfaces with my wheel brush and basically use this anywhere it will fit. Then I'll use my smaller Speedmaster brush to get down into all the tighter areas, and I'll also use a detail brush to get anywhere that I haven't gotten with the other two brushes. Now for any of the really tight areas like the crevices around the air filter box, I'll use a boar's hair detail brush, and if you've noticed so far, this process really isn't difficult as it generally only takes about 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish. The degreaser is really the most important aspect here and is doing most of the work for you, but a couple of different brushes for agitation, and that's really all you need to get perfect results. Now with everything clean, I'll go ahead and simply rinse down the entire engine bay, and it's important to note that you don't want to let your degreaser dry, so you definitely have to work quick. And if anyone is wondering why I do this after I've washed the vehicle, it's because if I did it first, a little bit of water would end up making its way underneath the hood when I pressure wash, which would ruin my work. So this way the engine bay stays perfect when I'm done, and it just takes me a couple seconds to dry any water drips off the paint. Then with everything rinsed, I'll just quickly use my leaf blower to get rid of the majority of water, and then simply finish drying things with a microfiber towel. Now with everything rinsed, I'll grab my leaf blower to get rid of the majority of water here, but obviously this isn't a necessary step, as you can just use a few microfiber towels to do the same job, but using my Husqvarna here definitely makes the job a little quicker and a lot more fun. Next, I'll grab a towel and just quickly dry off any remaining water around the engine, and you want to make sure it's really dry so that the dressing I'll be applying next can be applied to a perfectly dry surface. Okay, with everything dry now, I'm using some 303 aerospace protectant this time for all the black plastics and hoses to dress them and really make this engine bay pop. And if you were wondering, this whole process usually takes anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes, as the degreaser really does most of the work for me. Alright guys, well that is going to wrap things up for this one. I hope you enjoyed getting to see this engine bay get transformed. It is super clean and looking sweet. Now as always, if you enjoyed this one, please leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on a future video. Enjoy the guitar outro, and I'll see you guys in the next one.